There is a particular concern,
Yeah.
but amongst Nigerians, much is being invested into fighting insecurity. But the more we invest, the worse it becomes. What do you think is wrong?
No, I think there are certain feelings that, with the greatest respect, cannot be justified in the present situation. You see, a society evolves with its own problems, depending on its structure. Let me give you an example. The Boko Haram is predominantly in the northeast. It's not a fact that you can say it's not correct. The banditry is in the northwest. You can't say it's not correct. So these are issues that the previous injustices that we have done to ourselves collectively and individually are manifesting. It is only unfortunate that they are manifesting now when this government is in place. And that is the reason why that the government, having not directly been responsible for this situation, should be assisted with whatever assistance from any responsible citizen of this country to ensure that we put this behind us. Like I have said, whether anybody likes it or not, the truth is, this country will remain one, because the factors that bring the country together are stronger than the ones that seek to divide it. And I think that every responsible Nigerian should understand this and kowtow into it and make sure that he gives his or her own contribution to ensure that we have a very formidable, resilient country where we can at least begin to love ourselves, do justice to ourselves, and build a society that every citizen of this country will be proud of. This is how and it's a collective responsibility.
In the calculation of the opposition,
Yeah.
your party, APC, has lost every justification to say it wants to continue ruling Nigeria after 2020.
Well, they have equally lost every justification to say that we have not done our best in view of the fact that they brought us to where we are, having ruled the country from the beginning of democracy to where we are today. That's a fact. Let's be honest, let's be sincere. The most unfortunate thing is that politicians crisscross from PDP to APC, and therefore, depending on what side of the divide they are, they find it convenient to now run down the party in government. But I think that if you look critically at what is happening, you will see that the more the thing changes, the more they remain the same. What we need are patriotic Nigerians with zeal and commitment to build a virile nation. That's what we need.